sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. If you're working, hopefully you're having a safe day, no incidents or nothing. And if you're at home like me, hopefully you are having fun too. Why not? Today's video, guys, I was gonna cut some pipe, which I'm gonna cut some pipe, some 3-inch pipe, and do some welding. But that will be in the next video for you guys. Today's video, guys, I want to show you this video that I saw a while back. I want you guys to let me know what you guys think about this video. Maybe in the future I'll do a welding song as well. You know, this is the coolest welding video I ever seen. They even hire a model, you know, to be in the welding video. So let me know what you think about this video on the comment section below, guys. And without further ado, actually let me call my helper, because he haven't seen this video yet, so I want him to see with me and see what he thinks. Helper, come on, man.
Yeah, this better be important, dude. I was getting a haircut. What up? What are you watching?
We're gonna watch this video, man. It's a video I saw a long time ago, and it's about welding. And they even hired a model and stuff. They went deep. They went balls deep. All right. So, without further ado, guys, let's see this video.
Vendo as chamas vivas deste lume, recordo con nostalgia unha época da miña juventud e buscarse a vida no estranxeiro. Acababa de rematar os estudios de FP de soldadura e vinme obrigado a traballar nunha plataforma petrolífera.
Alright, so this band, like I tell you, this band is from Europe. It's from Spain.
From Portugal? Spain?
Yeah, I thought it was Portuguese, but it's from Spain. I think it's Catalan language or something.
It's a weird dialect.
Something weird. So the guy, he's like...
He sounds sad as fuck, though.
He's sad. He's like retired or something in his village, and he's like, oh man, I remember when I was...
He's the village chief.
I remember when I was in welding school, and I had to go offshore to go welding.
What kind of school is that? Look at that. They're all wearing casual clothes.
Non foi marchar do meu lugar de nacemento, senón o que ali deixaba.
Is that a trade school?
I don't know. All right, let's keep watching.
Estou sto carallo de soldar, e iso que acabou de empezar. Estou nunha plataforma no medio do mar.
Damn, that's her girl.
I know.
That he's missing.
No wonder he wanted to come back, and he was so sad, because, you know,
he really likes them fruits.
All right.
A miña mirada non pode aviscar que madre de tronos por mi meu amor. Cruzaremos los mares como un delfín. Fugiremos por los...
Damn, look. He has no shirt on. He's fucking hardcore, dude. Big welding without a shirt?
Look at that.
Damn.
He's an offshore welder with no shirt. How bad is that? How about, you know, he's a badass welder.
That's really bad.
I don't know about you guys, but when I'm welding, at least I wear a long sleeve shirt or something.
I mean, yeah, I'll be naked, but I'll be wearing an apron, you know? Something
like that. But as you can see, he has no shirt. At least
he has a fur coat protecting him, though.
He's wearing some protection for his arms, though.
You know, I like what he's doing. You know, he's doing his thing. You know, he's probably has a bunch of undercut though. But, you know.
All right, let's keep watching.
Oh, he definitely drags. He doesn't push. He's a dragger. All right, keep playing.
how he sings to the MIG gun?
Imagine he presses the button and the wire just goes in his mouth. God damn, what a microphone.
So the microphone on this welding video, guys, is the MIG gun. And he sings with passion, you know, like, oh, whatever he's singing.
I'll book him.
You know. Yeah, they have a Facebook page if you guys want to check it out. I'll put the name.
Hey, if you
in the
guys do
description
book
video
him,
below.
invite us to that party. I want to go.
I'll wear my welding helmet.
I'll go. I'll weld without a shirt.
So he comes back and he gets the girl.
That's true. Look, his friends didn't even think he was gonna get the girl.
I know. What's up with that guy in the leggings though, the blue leggings?
Hey, was she a welder too? Is that what she was going to that school for as well?
I don't know, man. Maybe it was this. Maybe
She
this,
was like, man, screw all that noise. I'm just gonna become a model. She became a model.
Vemos los mares como un delfín. Fusilemos muy dulce de aquí de guapo.
maybe it was a high school or something.
High school, real? Maybe.
Maybe, but man, I'm telling you, they hired this model. She was
Hey,
hot.
when you hire a model, you have to do the beat shot, you know?
Yeah.
They're like, this setting, throw it to the side. We hire a model. Let's go to the beat.
Let's-
Tienen todos por ti de guapo.
Sparks on the background and
Nah,
MIG
nah,
gun
nah,
is
nah.
a fucking microphone.
Scrap. Water, sand, butt cheeks, girl. Bam.
Boom.
Put them in together. I like
Hello,
it.
yeah. All right.
Fusilemos muy dulce de aquí de guapo. Y hasta ahí.
Isn't very nice, but
So at the end, he starts welding his band name with the MIG gun, and all the credits.
It doesn't look that good, but it's legible. It's understandable right there.
I wonder if he was a real welder. He was just,
I
or
think-
that he just, or that somebody asked him to make a welder song or something.
Estos tocará yo.
I think it's just Hollywood effects, dude. You know,
Maybe Hollywood was in this,
it's
but
fake.
maybe he did. Maybe he was a welder, and then he just went and toured with his band.
Maybe he snorted so much smoke that he's like, man, I'm just gonna become a singer.
No
Could be.
know.
I mean,
Some people aren't meant for this kind of thug life, Manny.
well, right now I don't know about you, Steven, but I'm thinking about going back to
Your singing career?
singing career. You know, this welding business is kind of low right now.
It's alright.
I might have to find a part-time job or something.
You guys will be catching Captain Manny at your local McDonald's.
Hell yeah!
Make sure you tip.
I was a cook before I was welding, so. But who knows? Oh well. Well, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. We
Yeah,
did-
I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go finish my haircut.
All right. Leave your comments in the comment section below. What you guys think about this welding sound video? If you want Captain Manny to hire a couple models and do a welding song video, maybe that's the next thing. You know, maybe I'll do that. I don't think it's a bad idea. So that's it. So stay safe out there, guys, and try not to get sick. And I'll see you next time. All right. Bye.